friends, it's Miss Rachel with the Otago Prattville Library, and today we are making the Zoom Story Room craft for Tuesday, October 6th. You'll need your craft kit. The items you'll need from your craft kit are the green monster, the 2 white circles for his eyes, the black rectangle, and the 2 red rectangles, as well as your paper bag. And then you'll also need some scissors, colors, and a glue stick. So the first thing we're going to do is cut open our monster's mouth by cutting right along this straight line in the middle. And then we're going to use our glue stick to attach the top of his head, to attach the top of his head to this top part of the bag that would normally be the bottom if you are using the bag to hold your lunch or something like that. And then we'll put the mouth on the bottom part of the bag, like this. And my glue stick is running out, so I'm kind of improvising here. If your glue stick is running out, remember you can always get more craft supplies and materials at the library. We have the reusable craft material kits that you can pick up for free. Next, we're going to glue on his eyes. Put them right under the eyebrows. You should have 2 white circles in your kit for that. And then we can create the inside of his mouth by putting these red strips on this inner fold flap of the bag. One on the top and one on the bottom. There we go. And finally, we're going to put some glue on the top of his forehead so that we can glue this black to be his hair. But we're not quite finished yet, so this is where the scissors and the colors come in. First, I want to give him a haircut, so I think he should have spiky hair. So I'm going to go ahead and do some zigzags. There we go, now he is styling. I'm going to throw away these extra pieces of black paper. Then we can use our markers. And I'm going to put a black pupil in the middle of the eye for him to see out of. And then we can add some veins in the eyes and some red to make him look fierce and monstery. And you can add red to the lips too if you want. Or you can color them a deeper shade of green as well. There's lots of options for what you can do for Frankenstein's face. I'm going to give him dark green eyebrows. Perfect. And then if you want, you can continue the fun by drawing him an outfit or all sorts of other cool and fun and creative things. And then voila, you have a Frankenstein puppet who can chase after you. Pretty cool, huh? Thank you guys so much for crafting along with me, and we'll see you next time. Bye!